Hello and welcome back to another Wikipedia article tutorial video by the Free College. Um, Today we're going to be talking about portals, and I have a portal open for us as an example, the drink portal. We can scroll down and see that this is all about beverages worldwide, and if you want to become a member or edit a particular portal area, if you think you know a lot about drinks, you can look at the things you can do area and expand on these articles and see some of the issues that the articles that have a need for attention. I particularly made one, and I'll show you how to share a portal to the bottom of an article page. We'll type in Tang, which is the one that I edited. It goes to a disambiguation page, but we're going to go to Tang Drink Mix. We're going to scroll down, and you'll see that there's a drink portal and food portal here. Now, if you go to the See Also area, of course we're working in the desktop version. Make sure you're using that in Wikipedia. You'll see this code right here, portal bar, drink, food. Now, if you want to just have it be drink and you think food should be removed, or you just want to change it just to see what it looks like, you can backspace from food and that line, and then you can just scroll down. Don't publish the changes, but show preview. We're taking a look at what it look like with our changes. And as you can see, that's just the drink portal now. So if you know of a bunch of drinks in the world and you want to see if you can make some edits, some drinks that are, maybe do some research on some drinks that are not popularly known, or some drinks that you do know of that are worldwide or even local, you can put the drink portal area to the bottom. There's also a Catholic church portal, and I worked a little bit in this in the past, but if you scroll down you'll notice that there's a lot more that needs to be done. Under things you can do, there you go, requested articles, just click that and you can see how many articles are being requested. But in this particular portal, everything that's red needs to be made. So that's quite a bit. I made a couple, but they still need a lot of work. Anyway, so that's really it when it comes to portals. You can go around and just make some edits, maybe join some portals, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.